This is my newest project that I've been working on. Made up one for my grandkids, and they loved it so much I decided to make it up at the market to sell. So I do custom orders only once I get your child's name. It comes in a bag with this pocket in the front with a letter to the recipient. Inside the bag is a map, has a paper clip with a little bit of copper wire on it, the journal that has the 8 mysteries all about Canada in it. It starts off with a welcome to the hunter. Their name and badge will be printed here. And then you have your pages. Each case file is here with some clues, some fun facts once they get the answer, some detective notes, the answer to the case, and then another research question as to one amazing fact. So I had the grandkids find one more thing that they wanted to know other than these clues, and then they drew a picture. So you have your 8 mysteries. And the final challenge: congratulations, detective, you've solved every Canadian mystery. Now it's your turn to become the expert. Choose one discovery that amazed you. Teach someone about it. Draw a picture, write 5 interesting facts, or create your own mystery for another detective to solve. Then you can sign your name and your badge number and date it. And then there's some blank pages at the back. There is a detective checkbook list. So there's enough pages in there for 8. There is the Expedition Rations little lunch bag, and I make suggestions on what to put in the lunch bag in the parent instruction guide. You have detective equipment, and all kids love props, so you could put some of these things out. And then the snack rations: granola bars, trail mix, maple cookies, beef jerky, fruit snacks, things like that. And then I have some rules, some ideas on how to do search without AI. And there's a couple of ideas there with different bonus things they can do. And the last envelope has a congratulation letter and their certificate. Inside the pocket are the Canadian Discovery badges, and they're already cut out and ready to be stuck on the pages. They only open this one when they're ready to start, and it gives them a little "Dear Agent, I have searched Canada for 2 brave mystery hunters. Reports tell us that you are curious, clever, and never give up. Your mission begins today. Everything you need has been packed in your expedition bag. Trust your instincts, ask good questions, work together, and remember, great discoveries begin with curiosity." Signed, Chief Mystery Hunter. I hope you like it, and please get a hold of me if you want to order any custom Great Canadian Mystery Hunters Club packs. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.